If you invest $100 today, this could change your life. Not because $100 is a lot, but because of what it becomes over time. Most people think investing is only for rich people. That's not true. You can start small, and small done consistently becomes big. Let me show you how. The problem: most people never invest. Why? They think, I don't have enough money. I don't understand stocks. It's too risky. I'll start later. Later becomes never. Meanwhile, inflation eats their savings. Money sitting in a bank grows very slowly. But money invested wisely grows over time. The real problem is not money. It's lack of action. The solution: start small. Start simple. Start now. You don't need to pick risky stocks. You don't need to trade daily. You don't need thousands of dollars. You need three things: a brokerage account, a simple investment, consistency. That's it. Step-by-step explanation. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. This is like a bank account for investing. Many apps let you start with no minimum deposit. It takes about 10 minutes. Step 2. Choose a simple investment. As a beginner, keep it simple. One of the easiest options is an index fund. An index fund spreads your money across many companies. That means less risk than buying one single stock. You are not betting on one company. You are investing in the whole market. Step 3. Invest your $100. Buy shares of a broad market index fund. Done. That's your first investment. Simple. Step 4. Add money every month. This is where the magic happens. Even $50 per month makes a difference. Consistency beats size. Real example with numbers. Let's keep this simple. If you invest $100 today and $100 every month for 20 years at an average return of 8%, you would have about $59,000. You only invested $24,100. The rest? Growth. That is compound interest. Your money makes money. Then that money makes more money. Time does the heavy lifting. Now imagine 30 years. It becomes over $150,000. From small amounts. That's the power of starting early. Simple recap. You don't need to be rich to invest. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to open an account, buy a simple index fund, invest consistently, be patient, small money, long time, big results. The biggest mistake is waiting. If this helped you understand investing better, subscribe to Capital Compass. We break down money and investing in simple steps. No hype, just strategy. And if you're serious about building wealth, start today, even if it's just $100. Your future self will thank you.